how to properly link your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file together in your project directory. So if you're having problem linking your CSS to your HTML or your JavaScript to the HTML file, I'm going to show you how to do that easily. First, I'm going to create this HTML file, index.html, and then I'm going to create a CSS file, style.css, and then create the JavaScript file, sandbox.js. And on the HTML, I'm going to initialize the boilerplate, and here I'm going to do a p tag. I'm going to say this is a paragraph tag, and I'm going to save. Then on the CSS, I'm just going to target that p tag and give it a color of red, and I'm going to save. Now to link your HTML to your CSS, all you have to do is use the link tag. Click on the link tag. You can see relate style sheet and hyperreference. So we're gonna specify our CSS file here. So I'm gonna say style.css, and I'm gonna save. Now if we go to the browser, you can see that this is properly linked. So this is a paragraph tag with a color of red. So yes, our HTML and CSS file are properly linked together. So in order to link the JavaScript file, we have to come down here. We're gonna do a script tag, not this script tag, this with a source attribute. So I'm going to specify the sandbox.js, save it. I'm going to go to the JavaScript file, and here I'm going to do a basic code. I'm going to say JavaScript linked. I'm going to save. Now you can see that on the browser, it says JavaScript linked. There's an alert button. So whenever I come here, when you go to the browser and click on refresh, you can see that it's properly linked. So this is a simple method to link your JavaScript, CSS, and HTML in your project directory. So using the link tag, you can link your CSS, and using the script tag, you can link your JavaScript file all together.